All right, so today we are looking at the surface area of our rectangular prisms, except we don't have our nets to rely on. Now, at first it might kind of seem like that there's a little bit of that could be an issue.
Usually that about.
No, we're okay without our nets because we're dealing just with our rectangular prism, and we're going to see some patterns that kind of go along with this. So things that we want to see as we look at our particular example number one, do you see how that's actually the front of the shape here? All right, which would make this portion up here, what would that be? Yeah, if that's the front, then that makes this guy to be the top. And then how about this guy off to the side? Yeah, that would be the right. So those are our different faces. That would be the right face, that would be the top face, the front face. And obviously there's other ones, but we just can't see them because they're on the other side. But the connection that we want to notice is that if you find the area of the top is the same as the area of the base. And the area of the front would actually have the same area as the back. And the area on the left face, the left side, would actually have the same area as the one on the right side that we are dealing with. So as long as we can find one, we've got the other one. So it might be easier to find the right because we can see these two numbers that are right here, the 8 and the 6. So 8 times 6, yeah, that's 48. So I automatically know the left face is 48. I don't have to worry about trying to visualize it. So I said I can kind of see the front. So the front's 15 going from left to right. It's 8 going up and down. So I've got to do 15 times 8 to find the area of that front. So let's see here, 15 times 8, a little 40 going on here. 8, 12, there we go. 120 there. So if the front has an area of 120, the back has an area of 120. And then the bottom or the top. Now it might be easier for you to do the bottom because you can see that there. Maybe it's easier to see the top to go along with it. Either way, it would be 15 times the 6. That would be a 15 there, and that would be a 6 there. So yeah, we'll do 15 times 6 to get that particular answer there. Carry the 3. Yeah, so that's a 90. So yeah, each of these are 90 that we're looking at. So the main thing that we want to see here is the patterns. Now we can get kind of mathy on here and say the distributive property. We don't even need to really worry about doing the distributive property, but we are going to multiply to find the area of the top. We did 15 times 6. All right, but then we have to times it by 2. So 15 times 6 is 90. 90 times 2, yeah, that's 80. So instead of doubling up and doing 90 plus 90, we're going to say multiply it times 2. So that's kind of why we're referencing the distributive property there. And then the front and the back, well, to do the front and the back, we were doing 15 times 8. But there's 2 of them, as we can see here. So that would give us 240. And then for the left and the right side, we did 6 times 8, which is 48, as we can see. And oh wait, there's 2 of them, so that's 96. So to find the surface area, we simply have to add up all of those particular faces, and we'd get our total amount. Now, what we're after here is, can we create a formula for finding the surface area of any rectangular prism? Well, I don't really want you to get caught up in a formula. Okay, so right now, just get rid of that. So let's see what we're looking at here. The main thing is our structure and watching the patterns. So the top is going to be the same as the bottom. All right, the left is going to be the same as the right, and the front is going to be the same as the back. So if we're looking this as being the front right here, we can see we're 3 by 12. So yeah, we'll do 3 times 12. Oh, but wait, there's 2 of them there. Okay, so yeah, we'll do the 3 times 12, but wait, there's 2, so then I got to times it by 2. All right. That's what we're after on this. So then when we do the left and the right, all right, there's the right, so it's 2 this way. How tall are we going up and down? Well, I can see the 3 there. So yeah. So yeah, the right side's 2 times 3. Oh wait, there's 2 of them, so I got to multiply times 2. And then oops, I kind of reversed it there, didn't I? Yeah, that should really be, let's clean that up there. If I'm calling this the front and the back there, all right, there we go. Let's go back there. That's the front and that's the back. That would make this guy the top and the bottom. I apologize if threw you off there. All right, so here's our top that we're dealing with. The bottom is underneath it. We should see that we're doing a 12 times a 2. But oh, wait, there's 2 of them there. So again, just something that speeds up the process. All right, so as we go through and we solve here, all right, 3 times 12 is 36. Alhan, I'm not worried about the numbers right now for you. That's 72. All right, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2, yeah, 12. And then 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2, yeah, that's a 48. So when we add up those lovely numbers together, we'll get our total surface area. Because again, surface area is the area of each face. Again, the total amount. So we'll add here, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus an 8 is 12. So put down the 2. We're going to carry the 1. 7, 8, 9 and 4, 13. So we get 132. Now, it is a three-dimensional shape, but it's surface area. So it's 132 inches squared. Area squared. How many squares would it take there? So that's proposing that word area that we're dealing with. Let's look at the next one, letter B here. So again, we know in these rectangular prisms, we're going to have a top and a bottom. We're going to have a left and a right, and we're going to have a front and a back. All right, so the top and the bottom. So I can see that's going to be this here. So I'm 8 wide, and my depth there I can see is a 6. If you'd like to fill it in, we can do that. So yeah, I'm going to do 6 times 8. But wait. There's 2 of them. Now, do I officially need the parentheses there? No, we don't. It's all multiplication. But it's just to kind of so you can visually see where those numbers are coming from. The left and the right, I can see here I'm 22 tall, and I went back 6. So it's going to be 22 times 6. Oh, but wait, there's 2 of them. All right. And then the front and the back. All right. So the front, all right, that's 8. All right. And we went up 22. So yeah, 22 times 8. All right. And yeah, we've got 2 of them. The other thing we can do here is we could make use of our distributor property more, because we could actually do the multiplying of the 2 at the very end. It's not going to make a difference. I'm just presenting it like this just so you can kind of see comfort-wise. If you see a different way, by all means run with it. Use it there. All right. But, you know, we'll give you one method for right now. So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 2, yeah, that's 96. And then 22 times 6, so, all right, so 22 times 6, yeah, 132. Oh, but times it by 2. All right, so 132 times 2 is 260. Yeah, 264. Exactly. And then for the next one there, 22 times 8. Now, again, I don't mind if you're doing some mental math here. 16, carry the 1. Oh, 176. Oh, now I got to do 176 times 2. Ew. So just don't get too greedy. All right, 176 times 2, carry the 1. 15, carry the 1, 352. All right, and then I need my total amount. Now be careful here, because if I try to follow this work, I don't have things that are lined up. Notice that my place values for my 96 is not lined up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that 96 over a little bit. And now my place values are lined up. So now we can add. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, carry the 1, 15, 16, 21, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Yeah, so we have total surface area of 712 in inches and squared. Again, it is inches. I take that back. It is meters because they gave me meters, but more importantly, it is squared because it's area. And area is how many squares would fit in a particular shape. We can hold off on C. I don't see a need to take care of it right now. Did you hear that? All right. Well, if you didn't, it's okay there. But that's all we got for you there. All right. We'll check in with you.